LTE is a 4G network that's typically a fallback when 5G isn't available. Your AT&T phone might be stuck on LTE due to weak 5G signal, software glitches, outdated APN settings, or even hardware issues. This means you're not getting the faster speeds and lower latency of 5G. Understanding the possible causes is the first step to fixing it. Your SIM card could be the culprit behind LTE connectivity issues. This small chip stores your network information and can degrade over time due to wear or damage. For persistent problems that other fixes can't solve, visit your nearest AT&T retail store. Bring your phone and proof of account ownership to verify your identity. AT&T provides free SIM card services at their stores. You can request either a SIM refresh, which updates the data on your existing card, or a complete replacement if your SIM is old or damaged. This process typically takes just a few minutes. Why does this help with LTE issues? Over time, SIM cards can experience hardware degradation that prevents proper communication with 5G network towers. A fresh SIM card restores full connectivity and eliminates these compatibility problems. Weak 5G signals will cause your phone to automatically fall back to LTE for better reliability. Let's visualize how signal strength affects this. To check 5G availability in your area, use the AT&T Coverage Map app. This shows where 5G networks are deployed. For detailed signal strength measurements, use a third-party app like Network Cell Info. It displays signal strength in dBm and shows network types. This diagram shows the VoNR fallback process where the phone redirects to LTE when 5G isn't stable. If the signal is consistently weak, the problem is likely network coverage in your area rather than an issue with your phone. AT&T has developed the Network Optimizer app to help resolve connectivity issues automatically. This app scans your phone's network settings and optimizes them for better performance. Beyond the app, AT&T employs artificial intelligence to monitor user data and predict when LTE lock-ins might happen, preventing them before they affect your service. To get started, verify that the Network Optimizer app supports your device and enable its automated troubleshooting features for ongoing protection. If you've tried all the fixes and your phone is still stuck on LTE, it's time to contact AT&T support. There may be an issue with your account, device, or the network in your area that requires professional assistance. Provide them with details about the troubleshooting steps you've already taken.